Yes, very good morning. Welcome to the live session brought to you by My Skills, My Future. In this video, we are again going to discuss about quantitative aptitude, mixed questions which were appeared in different examinations. Great time? Wonderful. Now, in quantitative, we used to get different kind of questions from different topics. In the examination also, many questions, few may be difficult, few may be easy. So, but time factor is constant. Within the time, you need to manage everything, easy questions as well as difficult questions. Then go ahead with that. I hope you're all comfortable. Welcome, Jahnavi, as well as Ushasri. Welcome, Mama. Good morning to all. Welcome to this show. Great time. Let me start the first question. Right. Maharani, good morning, Amma. Welcome. Right. My first question is, a watercraft goes downstream from one point to another in 19 hours. It covers the same distance upstream in 23 hours. Right. If the speed of the stream is 2 kilometers, find the distance between 2 points. Let me explain the whole question. Try to give the answer. Now, downstream, that is man speed as well as boat speed. Let me assume that downstream is nothing but B plus C. Upstream is B minus C. Right. One point to other point. He covered with the downstream 19 hours. Whereas the same distance in upstream, he covered in 23 hours. Why? Because in upstream, the speed is less as compared to downstream. Upstream speed is less. Right. If the speed of the stream is 2 kilometers, that is 2, C is given 2. Find the distance between 2 points. Welcome, Chini. Welcome, Amma. Fine. Then how to calculate? In this question, in both cases, distance is same. So what is the concept of distance? Speed into time, right? So let me write in this concept. Speed downstream, that is B plus 2, right? Into time taken is 19 hours, which is equal to upstream B minus 2 into 23. Hope you are following my point. Great. So 19B plus 38, which is equal to 23B minus 46. Fine. 19, bring this side, it will become 4B. 46 send that side, it will become 84. So the B value is 21. That means speed of the boat or speed of the man. Boat speed or a person who is there in the boat is also called as B, man speed. Now let me substitute here B plus C, right? So this is nothing but distance. It is also nothing but distance. So B value is substitute either here or here to get the distance. Let me substitute 21 plus 2, 23 into 19. 19 3s 57. 19 2s are 38. It is 43. So 437 kilometers, second option. I hope you're clear about this. So this is the problem which comes under boats and streams. See, in boats and streams, we don't find the word of speed. Definitely, if the speed is given, they'll talk about downstream or upstream. Downstream is nothing but B plus C. Upstream is nothing but B minus C. Or if you want to take X plus Y or X minus Y, or P plus Q or P minus Q, whatever it may be. Hope you are comfortable this one. So let me go to the second question. Right. Come on, read it and try to get the answer. Yes, all of you, the people, those who participated here. A van starts with a speed of 60 km per hour, with its speed increasing every 3 hours by 10 km per hour. Wonderful. In how many hours will it cover 470 kilometers? I hope you understood this question. These are all appeared in PO exam. Few questions which were appeared in RRB exam, officer exam. So definitely question you don't find in a straight way. Its speed is increasing every 3 hours by 10 km per hour. How many hours will it cover? How many hours will cover 470 kilometers? Yes. Anyone can share the answer? Yes, Usha, Jahnavi, as well as Chini, Maharani. Anyone can share, please? Such a simple question. Okay, let me start. A van start with a speed of 60 km per hour. Its speed is given. Every 3 hours, speed increased by 10 km per hour. Okay? Right. How many hours will it cover 470 kilometers? Let me talk. First 3 hours, right? So per hour 60, 180 kilometers, right? Next 3 hours, speed is 60 km per hour. Next 3 hours, 70 km per hour. It is nothing but 210 kilometers it will cover. How much so far? 390 kilometers for 6 hours. Is it right? Now, next hour, the speed will increase by 80 km per hour. So within 1 hour, if it covers 80 km, so that it becomes 470. So altogether, how many? 7 hours. Excellent. Jahnavi is very good, Amma. Your answer is very clear. 7 hours. Great. Wonderful. Wonderful explanation. 3 into 60 plus 3 into 70 plus 1 hour into 80, which is equal to 470. So your answer is 7 hours. Great. Simple common sense question, which is related to time and distance. Right? So here, if you think more, time and distance concepts are not required. Is that right? Great. So let me move to the next one. Right. A alone can do a piece of work in 6 days. 6 days. B alone in 8 days. A and B undertook for rupees 3,200. With the help of C, they completed the work in 3 days. With the help of C, they completed in 3 days. So C capacity is not given, but the question is about how much to be paid to C. What is the C share? I need to calculate the share of C. What to do for this? Yes. Is the answer? Strictly speaking, that to share the amount of any person in time and work, amount can be shared just because of the work. If work ratio is given, it's easy to share the amount. But to find the work ratio, only A is given, B is given. We don't know about C. A one day work is 1/6, B one day work is 1/8, C we don't know. So we need to calculate. So what to do? Come on. Yes, I'll write. His one day work is 1/6. 3 days he worked. His one day work is 1/8. 3 days he worked. One day work is 1/x. Worked for 3 days. One work is completed. Now calculation part. This is 2. LCM is 8. 4 plus 3, 7/8. Send this side. 1/8. 3/x. X is equal to 24, which is the capacity of C. Now we have to calculate the ratio. How to calculate the ratio? A ratio 1/6, B ratio, right? It is for 3 days. 3 days for 1/8. So 3 days for 1/24. Of course, 3 gets cancelled, right? 2 2s, 2 4s, 2 12s. Again 2, right? 1s, 2s, 6. So 1/1, 1/2, 1/6. What is the ratio? If you multiply with 6, 6 is to 3 is to 1. Now we got the ratio. Now we can share the amount of C easily. How much? 1 by whole divided by 10 into 320000. So your answer is 320. I think we are doing many number of steps. Is it right? Following? Following? So in the examination, if you do, I think it is not sufficient. Is it right? See, we are thinking about C. What is the capacity of C? So don't think about this one. First find out what is the amount get by A, amount get by B. Add both and subtract from here. Let me do in this method. Let us calculate A. Right. His one day work is 1/6. 3 days he worked into 3200. What is the amount here? 2. It is nothing but 1600. Now B. Right. See, 1/8, second one, like that he worked for 3 days, 3200. 8 fours, 1200. Altogether, how much? 2800. Following my point? 2800. Now tell me, what is the share of C? What is the share of C? Come on. 3200 minus this one, 400. Good. This is the right answer. Following my point? Of course, this is available in the choice. Okay. So everything is good. My request to everyone is, instead of doing all these things, better find out A, find out B, and 40. Good. Let me go to the next problem. Right. CA on certain sum for 2 years is given. Right. Certain sum for 2 years is given rupees 1512. And SI also given for 2 years 1440. This gives the clear information, at least by looking at this sentence up here. We'll get one variable. So let me write simple interest, compound interest, first year, second year. So SI, this one, that is 720, 720, it has become 1440. First year SICA both are same, it is 720. Now what about here? It is 1512 minus 720, it is 29, okay, 7. So 792, it is 1512. Here, what is the increment? Plus 72. That means what? 10% increased. Now I got the rate of interest 10%. Great. I got one thing. Now question is if the sum is invested such that SI is given, right? The sum is invested. So what is the sum? First of all, 1440. I'm talking about simple interest. I is equal to PTR by 100. Let me use this one. I'll get sum P into time period. So 2 years, rate of interest 10 by 100. So which is equal to 1440. Now we'll get the sum. So cancel. So 5 cross. Very simple. P is equal to 0, 80, 4 5s are 20, 2, 20, 22, 2. So 7200. This is called principle of. See, we got rate of interest here. We got principal here. What is the given question? Number of years is equal to the rate of interest, right? Find the rate of interest. Okay. Now, when the SI is given this one, so let me calculate. SI is nothing but 2592. This is almost all three what you call steps. One is to find the rate of interest, another is to find the principal, another is to find find the rate of interest. Now principal is given 7200. Here rate of interest and time period both are same by 100. Now we get the answer. Is it right? This step is enough. Calculation clear? 72, right? 236, 2 1s, 2 2s, 2 9s are 18, 2 6 are, right? Great. Fine. 2 9s, 2 6. Let me write R square is equal to 1296 by 36. So R is equal to 1296 means it is of 36 square. It is of 6. So 6% is the answer. Okay. Beautiful. Here 3-level problem. This is 3-level problem, right? 3-level problem. So we need to calculate simple way. I hope you people are following my point. Is it right? So one is about rate of interest. Second is about principal. So one more condition is given. Number of years is equal to the rate of interest. Based upon this, so this is linked problem. I hope you are following my point, right? So welcome you all once again. Hope you people are following my point. Please subscribe my channel, right? Press bell icon. I hope you are comfortable. Yes, let me continue. Right. Can you please tell me the answer? Come on, try for this. Yes, kindly respond. Use a chat box. Whatever the doubts, please express it so that we discuss clearly. Because this kind of discussion is very important to get the clarification from all the questions. Yeah. 40 staff can do a job in 46 days. After 40 days, some more men join, some more staff join, and the job is completed 2 days earlier. 2 days earlier, right? Can you please share it? Come on, respond all of you. Jahanavi, Chinni, Maharani, as well as Usha. Should not be quiet. Come on, try to do this. Okay, fine. Let me do it. Actually, 40 members, they have to do the work in 46 days. This is Pakka information. After 40 days, some change is going to be happen. After 40 days means what? They have done 40 days. Still they have to do how many days? 6 more days. They have done 40 days. Now let me write 40 staff, still they have to do 6 days. By the time few more men join, I don't know how many people have come. Okay, so staff, okay, they complete the work 2 days earlier. Actually, they have to do 6 days. They'll do 2 days earlier. That means within 4 days, they'll finish. Is it clear? Now, calculation is very simple, right? 40 into 6 by 4, right? So, 60 staff. So, the question is clear. How many new staff joined? New staff. How many extra people have come? 20 people have come. So, your answer is clear. I think you are clear about this question. Wonderful technical question, right? Wonderful technical question. So only 20 people have to join so that we can finish 2 days earlier. Is it clear, all of you? Right? So this is such a conditional based time and work problem. In time and work, we find many of the models, but sometimes they'll give conditional if some more men join. Or sometimes they'll ask after how many days, they'll give certain number of people, they leave from that. So this is the way how to solve the question, right? Very nice. Let me continue with the next question. Right. Hope you people are following. Kindly make use of chat box so that I can understand whether you are following or not. Right. Sum of the price of X pen, right? X pens and X minus 2 pencils is equal to rupees 328. If the price of the pen is 20, so pen cost is given 20 rupees. Now we get immediately X value, pencil cost. And the price of the pencil cost is 4 rupees. Great. Rupees 4. Let me calculate 20x plus 4x minus 8 is equal to 328. 24x is equal to 336 divided by 4, 4 6, 4 8s, 4 4s, 6 1 6 4s. X is equal to, right, 14. Right? Following? Clear, all of you? 6 4s, 6 5s are, sorry, this calculation, let me do separately. 24x is equal to 36. So 4 6 are, 4 8s are 32, 4 4s are, 6 1s are 6, 6 4s are 24. Yeah, X value is equal to 14. Great. If X value is 14, then what will be the price of 14 here, 14 here, right? Price of 11 pens, 11 pens and 14 pencils, right? We know pencil rate is 4, pen rate is 20, multiply 220 plus 56, 276 rupees is the answer, right? Yeah, exactly. Jahnavi, Gudama, 276 is the right answer. Great. Following? Wonderful response. I think other people started sleeping, right? Good. Kindly be active in the live session. Great. Let me continue with question number next one. Right. A is 6 years younger than B. That means B minus A is given 6. Fine. Ratio of present ages of BC. BC present ages ratio is given 12:5. Present. That is 12x, 5x. Okay. Now here, if A's present age is twice C's present age. Now let me write A value is twice of C value. C, if I substitute 5x, A value is nothing but 10x. Is it? Present age. Okay. So let me substitute here. B is 12x minus 10x, which is equal to 6. 2x is equal to 6, x is equal to 3. Now once if you know the value of x, we'll find all the values of everything. What is B's present age? B's present age is clear 12x. 12x, that is nothing but 36. So your answer is B. Following? Excellent. So this kind of age problems you should have to handle very clearly. Hope you are clear about this. Okay. Now, move to the next one. Market price of a product is rupees 250 more than cost price. So, yeah, excellent, Maharani. It's good. Good answer. Right answer. Now, read this question, which is there on the screen. Market price of a product is 250 more than cost price. Let me write clearly. This is cost price. This is market price. Discount is given from this. Okay? Discount will be given from this. And this is called selling price. If you want a profit or loss, profit percent or loss percent, you have to see like this. Now, we know the picture. Market price of the product is this one more than cost price. It is X. X plus 250. Right. If 15% discount is offered on the market price, 15% discount is given. The profit percent is 27.5, 27.5% profit. Find the cost price of the product. This I want. Any idea? Yes, please. Very simple. Come on, any one of you. Now, we are taking discount from here. X plus 250. How much discount? 15%. I'm giving it for 85%. That is equal to, what is the profit percent here? Profit percent or loss percent, we have to estimate with respect to CP. 27.5, that is 127.5%. Because that is profit. This is loss, I subtracted, profit added. Very simple simplification. Remove the percentage. I'll write X plus 250 into 85, X into 1275. This point I'll write 0 here. Now let me divide by 5. 5 1s, 7 0, 5 2s, 27, 5 5s, 5 5s. Now 17. 17 tens are 17 ones are 17, 85, 17 5s are 5 3s, 5 2s. Simple. 2x plus 500 is equal to 3x. So x is equal to 500. That is called cost price. Right? Hope the answer is clear. Any doubt in this one? Only one step can change your idea. Right? Yes, following. So let me move to the next problem. Great. A boat covers 36 kilometer upstream in 2 hours and 66 kilometer downstream in 3 hours. What is the speed of the boat in still water? Excellent, Naveed. Excellent. Got the answer, same 500. Wonderful. Welcome to the show, Naveed. Mr. Naveed. Great. Now, read this question. A boat covers 360 kilometer upstream in 2 hours. Upstream. Let me write. I said very clearly B minus C. Distance by time. 18 kilometer per hour. Now I got the speed of upstream and downstream. So I'll write downstream. That is B plus C. 66 kilometer for 3 hours. That is 22 kilometer per hour. So look at here. Downstream speed is more. Upstream speed is less. What is the speed of the boat in still water? I want to calculate B. Can you please tell me? Can you please tell me? Two things are given. One is B plus C, another is B minus C. What to do, please? What is the answer? See here, B plus C is given 22. B minus C is given 18. To get the value of B, add by 2, 40 by 2. Answer clear. If you want to get the value of C, subtract 22 minus 18. That is 4 by 2, 2. Now your answer is 20 kilometer per hour. Right? Excellent, Jahanavi. Answer 20 kilometer per hour is right. Great. See, present Naveed also correct. Yes, excellent. Manoj. Welcome, Manoj. Satya Manoj. Welcome. Your answer is right. Kilometer per hour, because it is a speed of the boat in still water, right? You should be very careful, and also taking the given values are there in the question is very important. Okay, let me continue. Right. A and B started the business with 5,000 as well as 4,000. This is called investment. Time for A and B invested in the time period 4:3. It is nothing but 4x, 3x. How to get the profit ratio? So investment, if it is multiply with time period, you get profit. So I write 5,000 into 4x, which is equal to, right? Which is equal to 4,000 into 3. Now simplification, cancel, right? Okay, 4 cancel. You'll find 5:3. In this ratio, we have to share it. But given total profit is 4,800, find the share of B. B share is 3 parts out of 8, right? So 600 into 3, 1,800 is the answer. Okay, answer is 1,800. I think you are comfortable with this. Great. Follow my point. Such a simple question from partnership. Actually, in this, time period is not given. They have given in terms of ratio. Usually they'll give A invested for 4 months, B invested for 3 months, right? So they used to give like this. Okay. So excellent. Right? This problem is very good in terms of ratio. Yeah, welcome, Mr. Kabir Bhai, right? Welcome. Now, let me go to the next one. So this is actually square. This is actually square. There is it's a square, right? It is actually square. Fine. What is the question is given? 6.01 whole square plus 3.01 whole square into 14.01, which is equal to x minus 10.99. Yeah. Come on. If you want to do sincerely 6.01 whole square like this, it takes more time. Avoid this one. Let me write 6 square. 0.01 is a very minute value. Better ignore that. Plus 3 square into 14. X minus. This will be nothing but 11. So 9. 9 into 14. 126 plus 36. Simple. 162. Which is equal to x minus 11. Right? So what is the value of x? 173. Right? It's nothing but a. Okay. 173. Following. Excellent. First, we have to do multiplication. First, we have to do multiplication according to the rule of BODMAS. Yeah, Kabir bhai, I think you might have done first addition, right? First, as per the rule of BODMAS, right? BODMAS, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, bracket off, right? I hope you're clear. Okay, great. Let me move to the next one. Two trains 200 meter and 255 meter cross each other in 7 seconds. Let me draw the picture. This is one train. This is another train. Right? So this length is 200 meter and this length is 255 meter. 7 seconds traveling in opposite direction. So I'll write like this: opposite. Opposite. In how many seconds? 7 seconds. So length of this one, speed of this one is not given. Speed of this one not given. So, and 91 seconds traveling in the same direction. That means if both travel like this, so they finish in 91 seconds. What is the speed of the slower train? Let us think it is a faster train. It is a slower train. Write equation from the first one, speed. When both the two items or elements are traveling in the opposite direction, I'll write speeds must be added. S1 plus S2 is equal to, right? Sum of the speeds, that is 200 plus this one, 455 upon 7. 7 6 are 42, 7 5 are fine. So this is S1 minus S2 because they're traveling the same direction, right? I'll write 455 divided by 91, time taken. It is exactly 5. So what is the speed of the train in kilometer per hour? These are all in meter per second, right? Meter per second. Now, I want to calculate S2. To calculate S2, difference by 2. That is 30 meter per second. Now, let me calculate. How to calculate? 18 by 5. Okay? 5 6 are 6 into 18. It's very clear, 108. Follow me? I hope you understood. Is it clear? So let me go to the next question. Please try this. Yeah, excellent. Excellent, Kabir. Please read the question number 13, which is available on the screen. Yeah, I hope you understood clearly. Please express it. "18 women complete a work in 16 days. 18 women complete a work in 16 days. They started the work together after X days." Super. After few days. We don't know about the number of days after X days. 6 women left. Great. Remaining work is completed by 12 women in 12 days. Find the value of X. Yes, please. Any idea? Okay, shall we go through choice? Because it seems to be somewhat indirect. When the question is given indirect, better go through back substitution. I'll take 6 after 6 days. Let me take 18 women have to do 16 days after 6 days. That means they completed 6 days. I'll write 18 women, still they have to finish in 10 days. 6 women left. So 12 women can do how many days? 6 twos, 6 threes, 2 fives, 15 days. But we have to get 12 days. So this does not works. Let me go for 7, right? I think 7 is the odd one. Maybe you cannot do the calculation properly now. So let me go for 9, right? So after 9 days, means still 5 more days left over. 18 women, so still they have to do 5 days. So 6 women, so 12 women can do how many days? 6 twos, 6 threes, 15 by 2, you get in decimal. It also does not works. 8, right? After 8 days, so still they have to do 8 more days. So 12 women can do how many days? 6 twos, 6 threes, 2 fours, 4 threes are 12 days. Yes. Through back substitution, get the answer easily. Any doubt? Or let me explain directly. Actually, 18 women has to do the work in 16 days. Is it right? So this is the strategy. But initially 18 women worked for X days. And after X days, 6 women left. How many are there? 12. They completed in how many days? 12. This is called work done method. Work done. Work done means man and days. That is called work done. Great. What is the answer now? Right? So let me calculate clearly. Right? 18 into 16. Let me write as usual. 18x. Right? Plus 12 into 12. Come on. I'll subtract 18 into 16 minus 12 into 12 is equal to 18x. 12, let me, okay, here 3 6 4 4s. So 24 left over minus 12 is equal to 18x. Split 12, 6 threes, 6 twos, 3 fours, 4 twos are 8 days. I hope you got it. Kabir, well done. I think you understood this one. So make use of work done. Is it right? You did not go for, if you want to play through option, well, right? Wonderful. Continue with the next one. Circumference of a circle is 4 times the side of the square. It is a circle which is having center, radius. It is a square. Side A, this is R. Circumference is equal to 4 times the side. Great. If the area of the circle is given, that is pi r square is given 154. So definitely R is equal to 7. Simple. R is equal to 7. Let me substitute here. 2 into 22 by 7 into 7, 4a, right? Right? 11 is equal to 11. That is the side of the square is given. What is the area of the square? 11 square. Very nice. Which comes under mensuration. So I would like to suggest all of you, kindly prepare or find out all the rules in mensuration. Like rules in the sense, if you talk about plane figures, if you talk about solid figures, without rule, we cannot get the answer. It's exactly right, Jahanavi. Your answer is C, correct? Even similarly, I'm expecting the same answer from all of you. Okay, Maharani, 121, great. Kabir Bhai, 121C is correct. Okay, wonderful. Let me continue to the next one. Come on, read the question. Ratio of present ages of A and B. Present. Let me talk about present. So present. A is to B is given as 4:5. And the ratio of A is to C is given 8:9. Now, this one, let me write as B is to A, 5:4. Using these two, I'll write 5:4, it's called BA, and AC, 8:9. Better A below, A must be there. That's what I changed the ratio of A is to B as B is to A. Now, I'll get B is to A is to C. How to get it? 40 is to 32 is to 36. So divide with 4. 4 tenths, 4 eighths, 4 ninths. Great. Now I got the clear ratio of B is to A is to C. Now question is, if the difference between the ages of AC is 5, okay? Yes. Yeah, please wait for some time. Okay. I hope some technical issue. Yeah, we'll come back. Yeah, right. Hope you can see the screen. Screen is visible. Great. Ratio of A is to B is 4:5, and A is to C is equal to 8:9. So as I have done, B is to A, 5:4. I think we got 5:4, 8:9. We get 40:32:36, right? Divide by 4, 10:8:9. Fine. The question is given difference between AC. This is B, A, C. 10x, 8x, 9x. Difference between AC, how much x, which is given as 5 years. That's all. We get all. Age of B, 50. Age of A, 40. Age of 9, 45. Now, sum of the ages of ABC after 11 years. Add everything, present ages 135. So present. So 11 years after, that means I need to add 33, right? 33 means 11 for this person, 11 for this person, 11 for this person. Altogether 168. Great. So Kabir is a good answer. 168 is the first option, right? Great. So move to the next one. Excellent problem, which comes under probability. Okay. Can you please share the answer? What is the probability of forming a word from the letters of the word impeach? Impeach, such that all the vowels come together. Anyone? What is the concept of probability? Number of experiments, number of favorable events, right? What we are doing, what we are getting. Beautiful. Now, here what we are doing, we are going to arrange 7 letters. How many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this can be done in 7 factorial. That is called experiment. Your experiment is 7 factorial. What is your favorable event? Vowels come together. How many vowels are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 vowels are there, right? And 4 consonants are there. Okay. Now, condition for what? Vowels. Now we need to arrange the vowels. All the 3 must be together. This can be done 3 factorial. Completed. Now, these three vowels, if you consider as one unit, if it is arranged along with 4, it will become 5 items. This can be arranged as 5 factorial. I hope you understood clearly. Is it right? 1 unit of vowel is mixed with 4 consonants. Now these 5 units can be arranged as 5 factorial. Great. Now 3 factorial into 5 factorial. 3 into 2 into 5 factorial. 7 into 6 into 5 factorial. I'll remove this one, right? 1 by 7. Excellent. First option. Kabir, your answer is right, as well as Jahnavi. Great, Amma. So you're doing well. Probability questions are very simple, and sometimes it will test your way of thinking, right? Excellent. Let me go to the next one. Right. Sum of A's and B's age 6 years ago. Excellent. 88. So this is the story of 6 years ago. A plus B is 88. Shall I get the present ages of AB? Present A plus B is equal to 88 plus 6 and 6. I need to add 12. So this will become 100 years. Now this sentence is over. A's age 18 years ago, right? A's age 18 years ago, that is minus 18, is equal to B's age 6 years ago, 6. I think it is clear. So I'll write A minus B is equal to 18 minus 6, 12. So I got two equations. One is A plus B 100, A minus B 12. Question is, what is the age of A 2 years hence? That is, you have to calculate A plus 2, right? Can you please tell me what is the answer for A here? Come on. What I said, B plus C, B minus C, where we used in boards and streams. Here is addition by 2. Addition by 2. It is 56. So my answer is A plus 2 is nothing but 58 years, right? Hope D is the correct answer. Wonderful. Along with me, okay. Hope you're following my point. Excellent, Kabir. Answer is 58. Great. See, read the sentence properly. If you read the sentence properly, it's very clear. Okay? Read the sentence properly so that you can understand the question. Ago, after, don't get confused. Ago means minus, after means plus, or hence, later. Everything is same. Great, Amma. Let me continue. In a box, there are 6 blue, X red, wonderful, 10 green balls. Probability of choosing one red ball. We don't know how many red balls are there. From the given box, the probability of picking red ball is 1 by 3 is given. Find the sum of red and blue balls. Red and blue balls. I want to calculate 6 plus X. This is my requirement. Then what to do? Shall we go through option? Shall we go through option? Okay. Okay, if I take first choice A, 14, your value of X is how much? 8. So let me write 8C1 out of 24C1, 24 balls. If I keep 8 here, absolutely 8 by 24, I got 1 by 3, which is the given value. My assumption is right. Follow my point. Is it right? Great. So I hope you understood clearly. Move to the next one. Right. Train A of length 120 meter. Okay. 120 meter crosses a platform length of 240 meter in 18 seconds. So here is speed of the train is not given. Let me calculate. Speed is equal to distance by time. Distance 120 plus 240, 360 upon 18. So it is 20 meter per second. I used to consider train length as well as platform length. Next. The speed of train A and B is 4:5. Train A and B. Now this is train A. A is to B, speed is given, right? Speed is given 4:5. That means 4x, 5x. I know the speed of A. This is called A. Shall I keep here 20? Can you guess? Into 5. Is it right? So this value is given clearly 25. I get the value of B. Is it right? B value, I got it. Question is, find the length of the train B, length of the train B, which is having 25 meter per second speed, right? To cross a pole in 12 seconds. Great. So this is another story. In the previous case, train A crossing a platform. Of course, there we got unknown values like speed of A. Based upon the ratio, we got the speed of B. And length. Length comes under distance. Distance is equal to speed into time. That is 25 into 12. It is nothing but 300 meters. Excellent. Excellent, Kabir. Super. Excellent. Choice is A. Good. I hope you people are... See, any topic, you must have the basic concept. Without basics, you cannot move. So here, so many things we have to consider. When a train is crossing a pole, length is train length only you have to consider. When a train is crossing a platform, we need to take into consideration train length plus platform length. So these kind of considerations are very important, which comes under the basic concept. Go to the next one. 2 power of question mark is equal to 32.01 divided by 128.01 into 1023.99 divided by 7.9. Of course, we have done one question like this. Whenever point after some decimals like single decimal or double decimal, if it is very minute, better ignore, otherwise you have to consider. Right. Let me do this. 2 power x, which is equal to 32 divided by 128 into this I'll take as 1024 divided by 8. So according to the bird mass, what I have to do? First I need to do division, this and this. 32 by 128 into 124 by 8. Calculation. 8 4s are, 4 3s are 2s are, 32 square. 32s are 1024. 32 is nothing but 2 power 5. So in the left hand side, we have 2 power x. Now, very clear, x value is 5. Super. Very simple. I hope you need to respond faster than me. Is it right? Because it is such a simple question. Clear, all of you? Excellent, Kabir. Yeah, good. So, move to the next one. Diameter of a circular field is equal to, this is circular field. Radius. Diameter is equal to side of the square field. It is a square field A. Great. That is 2R is equal to A. If the total cost of fencing means, this is called fencing. Fencing means we need to consider perimeter. Perimeter around the field. fencing the circular field 440 rupees, 440 rupees, in bracket given 5 rupees per meter. So let me divide by 5. 5 eighths, 5 eighths meters. This is nothing but perimeter of circle, right? That is 2 pi r is given 88. So let me find r. So r is equal to, what is the perimeter of the square field? Fine. I'll write, instead of 2r, I'll write a into pi. 22 by 7 is equal to 88. So 2r here is given a. So for a is equal to 28. Now what is given? Square field, perimeter of square field. Perimeter of square field is 4a. 4 into 28. What is the value? 80 plus this one, 112, right? So answer is D, E. Clear, all of you? Yes, Amma? So excellent. So go to the next one. Great. 22. Yeah, good, Maharani. Hope you people are following my problems. 22. Now here, on giving a discount of 25% on market price of the article. So I said, this is market price. Market price. This is 100. Discount is given 25%. That means they are going to sell it for 75 rupees, right? The trader earns a profit of 20%. So profit, how we can see like this? 20%, they got the profit. Let me calculate CP. So 75 into 100 by profit means 120. So 26, 25s, 3 2s, 3 25s, which is nothing but 125 by 2. So this is nothing but cost price. Great. If the difference between MRP and CP of the article is 180, MRP, market price, CP, difference. So CP and MRP, different 125 by 2, MP 100, right? So what is this actually? 125 to 100, right? Cross it. What is the difference here? 75. Is it right? When it is 75, right? When it is 75, 20%. Come on. When it is 75, what is the value of MRP? Will you find value of MRP? Come on, difference is here 75. 100 is how much? Difference is 75 when your MRP is 200. How to calculate MRP? I think you are not following. Let me do this again. Right. Fine. See clearly, on given discount of 25% on MRP, an article, the trader earns a profit of this one. So let us take MRP, we does not know, right? So this is what you call 100, 75. How much it will be? Okay, 20%, 25%, 25%. I think values are changed. No problem. We'll continue. This is MRP 100. Discount 25%. So this has become 75. Okay. Trader earns the profit of 20%. So 20% profit in the sense 75 into 100 by 120. 20% profit. Now I need to get CP. Right? What is the CP here? Right? 26, 25s, 2 3s, sorry, 3 2s, 3 25, 125 by 2. 125 by 2 means absolutely 62.5. 62.5. Okay? Right. Everything is given. Discount is given. Profit is given. Now we got the clear picture. If the difference between MRP and CP is given, what is the difference here? 37.5 is given. How much? 180. It is as per our assumption. It is original. What is MRP? 100 is equal to how much? I hope you are following my point. Let me do it cross. 100 into 180 by, right? 37.5. I write 10 here. Now let me do the calculation. 5 7s are 35. 5 5s are 25. 5, how much? 3s are 15. 6 are 0. 25 3s, 25 4s. 3 120. 124s are 480. So MRP is nothing but 480 is nothing but B. I think you are clear this answer. Follow my point? Yes, all of you. See, you just go for comparison because I'm assuming as 100 MRP, I got the difference between MRP and CP is 37.5. When 37.5 is our difference, original difference is 180. What is MRP? 100 is how much? Great. Good. Let me move to the second one. I hope this question is clear. Next. A boat takes 5 hours to travel 105 kilometers downstream. Let me write immediately. Downstream, right? So 105 by 5, it is 21 kilometers per hour, right? The speed of the boat in downstream is, speed of downstream is 1.5 times speed of the boat in upstream. Upstream means like this. What is the concept of this? Downstream speed, 21 given, is equal to 1.4 upstream, that is B minus C. Okay, right. So I'll write 210 is equal to 14 B minus C. 7 2s, 7 30s. So it is 15 is equal to B minus C. I got B minus C. I already got B plus C. Now what is the speed of the current? I need to calculate the C. B plus C is given 21. B minus C is given 15. So I need to calculate the C. C means subtract by 2. 21 minus 15 by 2. 6 by 2 is nothing but 3. Is that clear? Right? Yes. Kindly respond in the chat box so that I should know that you people are following. Right? Okay, ma. Kabir, Maharani, great. 3 is the right answer. Wonderful. Go to the next one. Okay. A takes 20% more time. That means days than B. Right. I'll write A here, B here. I'm talking about days. When they are talking about percentage, B 100 days, A 120 days, or 25s, 26 days, or else 6x, 5x. Great. They both complete the work in 8, both 8 2 by 11 days. That is 90 by 11 days. Both in the sense, what is the rule can be used? X, Y by X plus Y. Super. Let me make use of this, right? 6x into 5x divided by 11x, which is equal to 90 by 11. So this is our calculation. This is the data is given in the question. Cancel x, 11 11 cancel, 6 1s, 6 5s, 5 3s. Great. X value is equal to 3. What is the question? How much time? That means how many days A can do half of the work. First of all, A can do how many days? 6x. X is 3. That is 18 days to do full work. Now only half work. How many days? 9 days. Exactly. Answer is A. Hope is clear. Hope it is clear. Following my point. Wonderful, Amma. So I hope you're doing all different flavors of the questions. Is that right? Let me move to the last question. Right. Some amount is deposited at the rate of 20% compound interest per annum. They're talking about CA. Some amount is deposited 20% per annum. Time period also not given. This is not given. This is not given. Difference between interest occurred at the end of first year and second year is, so difference is given rupees 1200. What is the value of P? If the principal is given, we find out the difference of first year and second year, make the difference of, that has to be 1200, right? Then you can prove it. So shall we go through choice? Yeah, welcome Chandrika. Welcome. So responding now, great. I hope you are following all the questions. Now, let me take the first choice. 2400 20%. How much? 4800. If I add it, 28800. Again 20%, double. 20, 8s are 16, ending 5. It's first year interest, second year interest, 5760. We will find the difference, 1200. No. Let me take, well done Kabir, 30,000, right? 20%, 6,000, right? Again 20%, is double, 7200. First, second year, will you find difference? Yes, exactly. So your answer is right. Hope you people are following my point. Is it right? I hope you enjoyed. Today in this paper, we did not get data interpretation problems. Is it right? I think this is the paper which was appeared in the previous exam directly, right? Please go through each and everything. I hope, I request all of you for the tomorrow's session, kindly be in time, like 10 o'clock exactly, as per our regular schedule. Today, tomorrow, we are going to discuss about logical reasoning. We find different flavors like arrangements, like data sufficiency, like all alphabetical things, symbols and notations, different flavors we used to do this, right? I hope you enjoyed this session. Please, if you like it, press bell icon to subscribe my channel. Welcome to you all once again, right? Thank you for attending this program. Welcome. Tomorrow, definitely, please be in time. I hope so, right? So all the best. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Stay home. Thank you very much.